Let's bring back in Michael Jaafar, who is watching along. What do you think about these questions? The two that they have were, did you ever go to the home after the fire or at all? And how many interviews did you have with detectives? Which the answer was one. Are they reading more into his involvement at all?
I think what's pretty clear is that timing mattered to this jury. So maybe this affair had more of an impact than I thought. You'd asked earlier how big of an impact. I said it would have an impact because it's kind of a conservative jury. But those questions lead me to believe that it's even a bigger impact on them than I thought because timing mattered to them. And yeah, they were also probably leading into, hey, why weren't you part of like a co-conspirator? Or why did they only talk to you one time? Maybe it was the question that the defense attorney asked him, did she give you money? Maybe that's what it is. I kind of don't know. It could cut both ways. Those jury questions and also those jury questions are not unanimous by the jury. They're individual jurors, right? So when the jurors go to debate this case at the end of the case, whoever juror asked that question, maybe one juror might think this guy was part of it. Why wasn't he looked into? And another juror would have asked, hey, this was very bad that she had an affair. Did she have, was she close to you before, after, what happened? So each individual juror can ask their own question. And so it'll be this, you're kind of seeing what the debate will be like in the jury room after this case is done between those jurors that ask those questions.
Really good point, Michael Jaafar. Thank you for bringing that up because that's one of the reasons most jurisdictions don't allow this, because it almost allows these jurors to start deliberating because they hear what another juror is thinking in these questions.